It's your funeral, why not plan it properly? Making plans for the future brings mixed feelings. It is right to concentrate on the good things, but sometimes there are things you would rather not think about. A funeral is one of those things. You may not have considered planning a funeral in advance, but there are several reasons why it can bring great peace of mind. Bereavement usually brings with it emotional and financial burdens. However, you can spare your loved ones much of the burden of having to make difficult decisions at an upsetting time. The cost of many funerals has more than doubled in the last 10 years, and prices are set to continue to increase in the future. If you have savings set aside for your funeral, you can never be sure that there will be enough, or you may be setting aside more than you really need to. It makes good sense to guard against unknown price rises. A prepaid funeral plan is the way to be absolutely certain that the services of the funeral director will be provided and there will be nothing more to pay for these services. Bereaved relatives usually arrange a funeral and may be unsure what was actually wanted. It helps to do something at times of sadness, but it is not a good time to make important decisions which, if wrong, cannot be put right later. Planning ahead for your funeral can be a great help in alleviating the emotional and financial burdens that naturally accompany bereavement, and those who remain will remember your thoughtfulness. There is also some quiet satisfaction to be gained from putting your affairs in order and reflecting on the most appropriate arrangements. People worry that their wishes will not be carried out. It is important to realize that any funeral wishes set out in your will or other letters or documents are only requests. Your executors are under no obligation to carry out your wishes. However, if you own a prepaid funeral plan, your guarantee is with a funeral director and your wishes are set out in your guarantee certificate. When you pre-arrange your funeral with your prepaid funeral plan, you can decide on your funeral service and select a suitable arrangement, settle on a method of payment to match your circumstances, select who benefits under the plan, have comfort, reassurance, and freedom from worry and stress, ensure no hidden extras are charged. Why not give it some thought?
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.